Hello guys, today we will be creating this automatic scroller using HTML and CSS. So guys, I will share the source code in my GitHub. Link will be in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to create starting codes with press, shift, exclamation and tab. We're going to link our CSS. Link CSS, and we are going to code our divs. So we are going to have 3 divs. So one div is going to be div ID, going to be front, front, now we are going to times front, middle, okay. Now we are going to CSS. First we are going to have keyframes, okay guys, at with keyframes, enter. First we are going to have form. The form is going to be, guys, left is going to be 0 pixels. Okay, now we are going to copy it. One is going to be 50, this is going to be 50, 50%. Next one is going to be 2. Okay, this is 50%, I know it's wrong. Okay, and this is going to be minus 300, minus 320. Okay, next it's going to be 2. 2 is going to be minus 640. 640 minus 640. That's it. Now we are going to enter. Now we are going to code our div. Div, enter. Position is going to be fixed. Top is going to be 0. Bottom is going to be 0. Okay, the right is going to be 0. Next, background is going to be repeat, is going to be no repeat. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to add a body background and a color. The body going to have background, going to have a color of brown, but not that brown, we need like mud color. Yeah, nice. Now we are going to enter. Now we are going to have a div, and it's going to have background image. URL. Okay, now you copy it 3 times. Let's see, 3. One is going to be back. One is going to be front. One is going to be middle. Yeah. Guys, now we did CSS, we did HTML. Now it's time to run it. We'll see. Final outcome. You can see it's working. Nice. So guys, we have created this awesome parallax scroller, auto scroller. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will bring more awesome videos, and comment down below your suggestions for any video. I will consider doing it. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.